back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan Kawa. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY braided wig. That's what I'm going to be showing you today, guys. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So firstly, guys, what I have here, I have my cap. I just place it on my manicure head. So yes, guys, I'll just go ahead and secure it with my pins. Just secure it round. Okay, guys, so I have my expression braiding hair here. I have color 8 and color 30. So guys, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting the hair into 2 places. Yeah, into 2 places, and just feather the tips out. So I'm going to do that on 2 colors. Okay, yes, guys, so I'm just feathering the tips out, as you can see, guys. So after feathering the tips out, I'll just go ahead and brush it, and yeah, this is how it look after I finish brushing the 2 colors. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is how it looks. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to take my net and just try to secure it so that I can be able to sew it on the cap. Okay, guys, so I will not be talking the whole of the video. I'm just going to leave you guys to learn something from this video, guys. So yeah, so I will catch you up later, guys. So as you can see, guys, I just sewed the net on the cap already, and cut off the excess one. And I'm just removing the pin because I'm going to be turning the cap on the back side so that I can remove the unwanted one. As you can see, guys, just remove the unwanted one from the cap, and yeah, I'm going to be turning it on the right side before I start braiding. I have to start braiding from the back. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks after you remove the unwanted one. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm going to start all by the back side. Okay, I like starting this braid by the back side so that I can know how I'm going to fill the braid, because I don't want it to be too full, I don't want it to be too scanty either. Okay, so I have to just make it normal. Yes, so I just take a pieces of the hair and crochet it on the cap, and take the hair again and just use it to weave the pieces of the hair I crochet on the cap. I don't know if you understand, guys, but if you are looking at the video, I think you understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys, I'm not good in explanations. Yes, so I'm not good in explanation, but I know my people understand what I'm trying to say. God bless you for that, guys. Yeah, so I just go ahead and braid it. Okay, I'm going to show you, and after I will go ahead and weave it for this video not to be too long. I'll just go off camera and do the rest, and I will show you step by step how far I have gone before I will show you. I'm going to be doing the front side. The front side is going to be special, okay? Yeah, so I just do the same process. I continue the same process until I reach the front side where I just put the lace wig, okay? Where I just put the lace, okay? So yeah, sorry guys. So I will just show you, okay? So yeah, that's it. So I just continue the same process, guys, no different. I just continue the same process until I am done with the braiding, and yeah, that is it. So guys, this is how far I've gone for this braiding. Yeah, so you see the way I'm counting it inside, guys, because I don't want it to be full. But if you want yours to be full, don't give that big space when you are doing the braiding, okay? So yeah, that is it. So guys, this is after I finish with the braiding, so it just remaining the front, guys. I did not do anything else. I just continued the same process I showed you guys earlier. This is the same process I did until I reached this stage, okay? So the only difference I'm going to be making is the front side, okay? I'm going to be doing some weaving on the front side. So I just take my concealer and my brush to just make the line I want, okay? The center part I want on this hair, I just use it to give it that mark so that I will not make the mistakes, okay? So yeah, so after that I just go ahead and weave some parts before showing it on camera, but I'm going to be showing you right now how I just weave it one by one, okay? So yeah, that is it. I just crochet some hair on the line I want, and after I take small pieces of the hair just to start it, and after I will just be picking the hair one after the other and ready to weave it. Yeah, that is it. I'm going to be showing you how I just crochet the hair on the cap before starting to braid, okay? So I'm going to be showing you before I finish, okay guys? So this is the process I did for this hair. Very easy, guys. You can get this amazing and beautiful DIY braided wig for less than 15 euro, guys. Yes, less than 15 euro you can get your braid DIY done. Okay, so yeah, I spent less than 15 euro, guys. I'm so super happy because I achieved it. You know, we are in summer. This is the kind of cap you want to go out with. Okay, so guys, I take my small crochet pin, so I just use it to pin some hair on it, just like so, guys. A tiny bit of the hair, just need to crochet on it before starting to braid. That is all I did for this front, guys. I did not add any other technique. This is what I did. Okay, so that is it. That is it. Okay, guys, so yes, as I was saying before, you know, guys, we are in summer, and you sitting down for how many hours to do. Although a person like me, I don't too much have hair, so I like to go with caps. Okay, I like to go with ribbon caps. So I said to myself, why can't I try out this DIY? Yeah, it is. I'm super happy the way it turns out, guys. Okay, so yeah, that is it, guys, for this video. It's just it. There's not any other thing added to it. As you can see, guys, I'm still crocheting the tiny hair on the cap before braiding. Okay, this is how I did. Okay, yeah. Guys, this is how I did it. So I just want you guys to know, okay, how I crochet the hair before braiding. Okay, guys, so this is it. So guys, I'm just still repeating the same step, guys. I'm just going to do it all over and over again until I'm done with the weaving. So guys, this is the last part I'm going to be showing you. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I did the last part, guys. So yeah, I just take a tiny piece of hair, just like the way I did the rest of it, guys. So yeah, the same thing I did here, no difference. I'm just trying to manage it so that I can be able to read the last one very well. guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Until I come your way next time, guys, stay blessed and bye bye.